Hello guys again. Today we have this lovely unboxing. This is from TP-Link. This is a Wi-Fi range extender, model AC750. If you have problem with your wireless in your home, you have a big house, this is a very good way to extend your wireless into your home and in other places, in your warehouse, maybe in your vacation. Let's see what we have inside. Oh yes, 3 years warranty. That's good. Let's take that out. Inside we're going to find manuals. It will be useful for connected that. It reminds me like a smartphone case. Yes. Quick guide installation, how to connect. And inside this beautiful TP-Link extender. 5G, 2.4G. Very nice. Reset, Ethernet, glossy. Inside, find anything. Of course, I'm going to test it to see how it connects, how it works with my wireless router. That was all guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and more videos in the future are coming. You don't want to miss it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.